Lando Norris had just jumped ahead of his teammate Oscar Piastri to take the top spot. But just moments later, Yuki Tsunoda ran into a bit of trouble. Coming out of turn 5, the Japanese driver went too wide over the exit curb, and suddenly he lost control of his Red Bull. The car snapped, sending him into a spin across the runoff area. From the onboard cameras, it looked like he'd picked up some front wing damage, and those tires were definitely flat-spotted. It was actually at turn 4 where Tsunoda first got caught out, running too far over the exit curb. His car's underfloor ended up beached right on top of the curb, leaving him as nothing more than a passenger as he slid across the runoff and damaged his